The number n in millions of U.S. cellular phone subscribers is shown in the table. Mid-year estimates are given. T represents the years from 1996 to 2006. N represents the subscribers from 44 to 233. So for part A, we want to use the data to sketch a rough graph of n as a function of t. And then part B, we're going to use the graph to estimate the number of cell phone subscribers at mid-year in 2001 and 2005. So we're going to use Desmos to graph this. So what we want to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to select table. And so in the X column, we're going to put in T. And then in the Y column, we're going to put in the value of N. So we'll put in 1996 and then 1998. And if we keep pressing enter, it'll bring us all the way down to 2006. We have 44, 69, 109, 141, 182, and 233. And then from here, we're going to put in our dimensions for how we want to view the graph. So this goes from 1996 to 2006. So maybe put in 1990 to 2010. And then the Y value goes from 44 to 233. So we'll go from 0 to, let's say, 240. Okay, so here is our graph. And now what we want to do is now we want to be able to connect these dots. In order to do that, if you hold on to this button, then down here it'll say lines. So if you select the solid line, then therefore it connects those lines. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to copy and paste this. And so here's our graph from part A. And now here it says in part B, use your graph to estimate the number of cell phone subscribers at mid-year in 2001 and 2005. And so for 2001, I'm going to start here at 2001 and see where it hits that line. And then from here, we can see where it lands, which is approximately 126. And then we're going to go to 2005. So let's take a look at 2005. This hits the line here. And then we're going to approximate it from here. So what we can say is that from the graph, we can estimate that the number of U.S. cell phone subscribers to be about 126 million in 2001 and 207 million in 2005. So here's 2001, 126 million there, and 207 million in 2005. So in 2005, here would be 207 million. Again, we're estimating.